Anyways, moving along. Omonna Pule Saleng, one of the best wings we have in the country. Very impactful player for Orlando Pirates. Uyo gatle gatlo cisha qede career ka Andile Jali amshange tsipa wela le Sundowns am release. But then all of a sudden kuba nama issues with Pirates. Omonna Pule Saleng is getting less game time. The Pirates then promotes Mhaonkota who does well, and now it's difficult for Saleng to come back. They eventually loan him out to Orbit College. Magafika Lapayana hasn't really done well, but but there were rumors that Orbit College want to send him back to Orlando Pirates. I took to social media the other day in Atimina, the only place where he will shine, Gugu Chiefs. Chiefs desperately need a wing right now. And Omonna Pule Saleng put him in a big team with the right quality. He's the solution for Kaizer Chiefs for me right now, since they couldn't sign Ozwenapolis no Sipombule. They need to try to convince the Pirates bam release like Abo Munyane no Paseka Mako and join them. Omonna Pule Saleng, would you like to see him playing for Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, he's a quality player, obviously, and at Kaizer Chiefs we want to have quality players, right? But the unfortunate part is that quality alone, good Chiefs in fact, is not enough. Like in the game of football, it's not enough. Like no one is bigger than the game, no one is bigger than the team, right? So if you respect the game will respect you back. In fact, so now we don't know the reason why he stopped playing for Pirates. Right, and then who tell the tour? It's already really coachy or ballet. Then comes Nkota, who like Saleng is far more talented than Nkota, right? Who Nkota plays a season, scores goals, national team, and he gets a big money move. Go respect the game.
Yeah,
respect the game.
That could have been Saleng.
Yeah, it could have been easily. And now you look back and you see it in like maybe years later, you're like, maybe that's why he never got that move overseas. Maybe it's been there 2-3 years, like scoring Kadi Derby. Then he puts a why as I overseas, why I say, understand? And then hotel editor so out like teaming in a winter, so how it's a respect the game. Respect the game where now you wanna see like Sfiso will let them about captain of it. I go Pirates, I say Kef, but we na any treble, I would at like Super Sport. Like I've played with him. We've played like 13 years, right? Then a boy comes 2 years. Then after 3-4 years or some more, you ask why? They are more talented. There are more players who are talented more than me or more than him. But we played longer. Why? Respect the game. That's all. So then I say, how to go Chiefs? Or to go Chiefs for respecting the game, or he wants to shine. Because at the end of the day, the team comes first. When I would see that team, I would have loved to see him coach Chiefs because he's a quality, right? But then, what does he bring to the team? Does he still want to do things right? Does he want to prove maybe Pirates wrong or aim? So how he comes now will make him a different player than if maybe he came 3 or 4 years ago. So for me, signing him now, yes, he's a good player. But will he get coach Chiefs? And then there's Modi who respects the games. What's the say Modi?
So it's Marwako, Ramodi Akur.
I think
is I can repel the issues with the right mindset. The game.
Yes, that's why I'm saying it's all about mindset.
Yeah.
Or mindset ya ikokai. Chekoba Tuso Abu. The team comes first. Yeah, ukabatla Foster maybe ya kai you batla Foster move. At the end of the day, keep on about pampir, and you know what you sign. You might not know whether it's in, but the way you have initiating things, ninding with the kai.
Yeah.
Maybe Nakata Maya the way. Okay, why did Marco le Munyai? And you know it's difficult to move from Pirates to Chiefs. You know you very well, right.
But they allowed them.
But they allowed them. How? And you know, it's not easy to move from that team to that team. Marabaile, Cosme, obviously they got the blessings. We're now what people that might give you blessings. Then when you go to Obit, the attitude when you get there, you can't outfit a mole and then you think, Kiko Lonu from Pirates.
But
you must still carry the team.
Carry the team.
Yeah, because this team, if you are that player, that's a match winner.
Yeah.
Go to that team and carry them.
Because now we ask ourselves,
Yes.
why would you not obit more at Atlantic where you started?
Yeah.
Want to send you back, or I to go Pirates. But that's where you started. But that's where you started. That means it's either you are not okay.
Not something it's
Mindset to try sharp.
My hope I fix it because you know,
Yes.
like we're going to a big team and then things don't work out well. Going to a smaller team, ne, you have a chance because now we have a chance we prove mentally, not got pressure. You know, because I want a pressure around you. There's no that 30,000 fans watching you every week. Wabo? So you go there. It's like Annapolis was a super sport boy, right?
Yeah.
Things didn't work out.
Arpolokwane.
Yeah, you let that go BK Kelly's, I think. Pretoria Kelly's before Polokwane. Ne? He went to Polokwane. We prove it.
Yeah.
We look how no Polokwane na pasama. We let national team to only Polokwane. Right? So you go to the team. Do not like what we go Vince. We feel like we captain. Yes, then you go to a big team, then you'll shine because you can carry a team. You can carry a team. Then Leonard things didn't work out. Go Chiefs, like go Sundowns, go Platinum, Challenger League, Kev,
Yeah.
go Platinum.
Lasha Pirates go final MTN.
They're about Lapa Ville.
And then,
So I want to go
and then
there, carry the team.
why would I,
You must do
the
that.
way I Buanka thing, it's because it's the same thing. Orlena was Vets. I went to Pirates. Kidlala Pirates. I had to leave Pirates. Wait a guy. Khutezi go Vets. I got MTN league.
Oh, go there, you carry the team.
Ke khutla moo. Going back there.
Mentality.
Mentality.
And mentality brings longevity in the game. So like Saleng now, this is a wake up call. Ntwana, things didn't work out there, guy. Your mentality, go guy. Do you still want to play the game? Do you still want to give it your all? Do you still want to be professional enough to come back in the game? Carry, go Obit. Every week, like Obit is 9-1, 1 coin.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kwena one. Man of the match, our Kwena candidate. Our MTN 82 winner cup. What Korile wena? There, you are the bigger player there. So mentality, around. Once away, now you can carry a team. Then that will take you back to a Kaizer Chiefs because mentality like what solely sharp.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because when that happens, Chekoba Tuso Acho, or Laiji Wapachua there, it starts Rona Risheba. Man, that means it doesn't have the right. He doesn't have the right players. But if it's it's like we are all the same.
So it's up to him. But hopefully he does.
Hopefully
he's a quality player.
Quality.
Yeah, it's good.
I know, bafethu siyeke ezandleni zethu ezenu. You guys will tell us Monna Pulisaling, should he return to Pirates or would he be better at Kaizer Chiefs, but he needs to fix his mindset. Magrotman